You want some cereal?
What?
You hungry?
And you got a camera.
Yes, I like videotaping you when you're small. You're so cute.
Yes, I'm so cute.
Yes, you are so cute.
Mom, it's ready to you. Ready. Now what?
You big, strong man. Look at you moving tables. Oh boy, what are you going to do with that big bucket of toys?
Actually, Kitty out.
Kitty's out?
Kitty has cars.
You picking up all your Woody toys?
Yes. Oh, my Woody. Cars. One Woody.
Okay, one more Woody.
The table.
Yeah, I'm going to put it on the table.
Yeah. Has play. See?
Play memory with Woody.
Yes, see?
I see it. Is he on TV too?
Yes.
Oh. Do you like Buzz Lightyear?
Yes.
Where's Demon's Buzz?
Here?
Right there. Does he fly?
Bucket.
Oh boy.
One plastic bucket.
You gonna press the button?
Yes. Can't press the button.
You can't press the button?
You're freaking right.
What's the crazy cat doing?
Close light here to start, man. I've got an AWOL space ranger.
And they can pass the tail.
He's licking his tail.
They can tail.
Yuck. Why is he licking his tail?
Yes, tickle on feet.
He tickles your feet.
Yes.
Has your might been melted? You could have killed me, space ranger.
Yeah, but something. Plastic.
Should I say?
Sure, Dad. Mom,
What?
why you buy your money on my butt?
Why you buy your money on Buzz?
Yes.
Because you wanted him.
What?
Because you wanted Buzz. Oh my God, this cat scratched the crap out of me.
I'm tired.
He's tired?
I'm tired.
He's gonna take a nap
I've never been down this
Take a
island.
nap. Yes.
in the chair?
Yes, Mom.
Oh, it's a party.
Yes.
Excuse me, ladies. Does anyone know where we might find the Owl Bell's Toy Bar?
I got it.
What are you gonna do with it now?
Got it?
You got it, but what are you gonna do with it?
Go.
Oh yeah? This cat keeps trying to get the camera.
Can't wait to my car.
You trying to get your Buzz? Surprise! What's that? Is that what Grandpa got you for your birthday? Let me see what Grandpa got you.